Do you see it? Do you see it? I can see light at the end of the tunnel. I'm Rick, and this Shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. Nailed that for your sanity! This is the shack. Hello and welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring the ding ding that bell down there so you are notified when these videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like and a share. It definitely helps the channel. Another day for more progress out in the shop. My thought process this morning after a couple cups of coffee, I came out here and I'm looking and I was trying to think, what is my next move? What am I going to do next? I have piles situated through right here. As I was cleaning, if I found a car part or something, I'd put it with that pile. Motorcycle parts, I'd put it over there, you know, kind of separating truck parts, car parts, all these different things that I had that was all around the shop. So I was thinking this morning, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this section that I cleaned yesterday, I'm going to move it about 2 feet this way. On the other side, I'm going to set up a table. I'm going to put on top of that table everything that I have posted for sale on top, and I'm going to put my totes that I'm going to post underneath, so I can just take from those, take a few out, post it, stack them on the table. So that's where it's all going to be, so I keep it in one location. When I get that done, then I'm going to start going these other piles, boxing, tagging, stacking in this area where it need be. So that's the next step I'm going to do. No more yakking, let's get cracking. Another successful day. I got this all moved back a couple of feet. I got the table up. This is all the stuff that I have to go through. This is literally everything that is up for sale, plus some items, big grill stuff sitting there. And I had no more room, so I have about 8 boxes underneath here that are items for sale also. Little by little, but at least I've got everything here. Now my next step is come in here tomorrow and start doing the tidying up. I got to get all my levels, my jigs. Probably have to go to the storage for now. I don't have any wall space. Get my table saw that I put everything on to second guess whether I'm throwing it away, if it's going to be sold, or probably just going to go to Salvation Army. I need to get rid of it. And then that's basically it. I got everything separated. I got stuff that's going to a friend's house. Some stuff will sit here, so I'm going to try to bring everything down this way. So this is the area that I have to sell and do. Everything else will find a place, or it's going in the trash. Or Salvation Army. If I have no room, I don't need it no more. Daunting, isn't it? Yeah, you see that. I'll give you a before and after the shop once I get my tables all cleaned off and everything. And I'll show you just how much of my father's stuff had overtaken my shop. When I take my last breath, my kids will come in, and basically I have a shop of tools, and that's it. I'm not going to have 50 million things of other stuff like my father had. And this has been the process. This has been hard. He had so much, he didn't know what he had. He bought duplicates, triplicates, quadruplicates. I mean, we had things that was like, really? How many more do you need? He kept buying because he didn't remember. If he set it somewhere, got lost, he'd buy more. I'm telling you right now, less is better. Less you have, the better off you are, and it's much more simple. Life is simpler with less. So this is my nightmare. This is my process. This is what's going to happen. But I am gaining my shop back. I am getting my area back there back. I can get my tools and stuff situated back over there. And next week, my goal is back in the shack doing projects. So I got the rest of this week to tidy this stuff up, and we'll see what happens. I'm not even helping friends. They're going to call me and wanting me to do work for them, help them out. I can't. This is my priority. This I have to get done. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack for your sanity. Minimize. 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 It's much simpler and easier. We will see you next video.